Right, now after seeing a whole heap of different ways of doing a Subaru Forester gusset wind noise fix, I thought I'd make my own video on how to do it. Now this is probably the fastest way that you're going to fix this, and it does work. You don't need clamps, you don't need to pull the car apart or do anything silly like that. All you need is one universal Subaru alignment tool. I think everyone has one of these, and a dishcloth. So the damage to the gusset is caused by people grabbing the window and opening and closing the door. What that does is there is metal bits inside here that just get spread apart, and wind noise gets through and it starts whistling as you drive along. So all you do is pop this thing off, grab said alignment tool and cloth, and carefully tap this so it closes up, like so. Not hard, just repeatedly like that, and that closes the gap along here. Now I found if you do it with with clamps, it can damage these seals, but if you do this carefully, see, closes up this gap, and that's all you need to do. Easy fix.